I'm setting up a temporary stingray aquarium. So you've probably seen my last two videos. I had stingrays. I got this tank for free as well. But can actually be placing 3 of them in here. 3 of the smaller ones. I have 3 Motoros, and yeah, we'll be placing them in here. Setting up this aquarium and showing you guys exactly how to set up an aquarium for a stingray. Now this is just temporarily until my 150 gallon is being set up. So yeah, I decided I should make a video too. I said, you know what, I'm gonna be making a tank anyway, so showing you guys how to get it ready and instantly cycle your aquarium as well. So first things first is we're going to be setting this up with water. We're going to be filling it up with about 3/4 of fresh aquarium water. And I'm also going to, I know it's not the best, but I am going to be throwing in some of the water that they were in because I'm doing a water change on the same aquarium anyway. Well, I did the worst mistake I ever could. I didn't do a leak test, so we're going to find out. Anyway, we're filling up. We're going to see what happens. I did rinse it and everything. This tank is old though, so I'm hoping for the best. So what I've done is fill up the tank, like I said. I also squeezed in a sponge filter, a little one I had in there. So this might be a little bit of gunk on the floor, which is fine. I'll get mixed up when I turn on the filter. Gonna put in a heater, oxygen filter, and all that fun stuff. So we got a sponge filter in here, creating oxygen. And we're gonna add another hang on the back filter on this aquarium. So we've got a heater, we've got water filled up. Gonna add the cover. Gonna let this sit in here for a little bit. I'm not gonna add the filter yet because it's still helping me, still absorbing a lot of gunk and junk from another aquarium I have. So once that maybe another 4 or 5 hours, and then I'll throw that bad boy in here. So far we have our sponge filter, we have our heater. We just need our hang on the back filter that I'm gonna put on here, and that's pretty much it. It's getting there now. Let's see if anything starts to come out. Any second now. Here we go. Whoa. Oh, so up here I have in the back here filter floss. I don't have anything in front of it as of right now, at least. And I know this is bigger than it has to be, or than it's supposed to be. That's the filter pads that I was given with this filter. This was a free filter. I got this off of one of my videos I did, cleaned it up, and now it's just, that's what I'm using. That's it. There's no other way around it. That's basically it. I'm gonna just be using them because he gave me like 10 of them. I'm not gonna throw them out, so it's fine though. After that goes bad, I'll probably just use regular, maybe sponge and foam, or just filter floss, to be honest. It's overflowing over here because it's too thick apparently. I don't know what is going on. Getting clogged with this? See, it's not supposed to come out. It only happens when it's too much blocking the current. Okay, well, anyway, I'm gonna let that run for a little bit, let the temperature finish acclimating up there, and we'll be good to go. So it's time to release them. Here we go. So we added the lid, so now he won't be jumping out. Didn't add lights yet, but it's fine. I'm not even, if they even had lights, I wouldn't be turning it on today anyway, so who cares? They're gonna be in there for tonight, and then tomorrow I'll be adding the Motoros. Time to release the 2 stingrays. Which one should we do first? I'm thinking this one. Going to see if I can put this down somewhere so I can record it and show you guys at the same time. Doesn't look like it's gonna be too easy, but not saying it's not possible. See, there's a will, there's a way. There goes the first one. And now we're gonna do the third and last one. That one's the female. No, that's the male, sorry. And that's pretty much it. We have placed in all 3 Motoros that I have. Here they shouldn't be messed with. These guys came with them, so should be fine in here. Not gonna feed today. Assuming they might be a little stressed out from the move again. So tomorrow morning we'll get their food. These guys look great. Really happy with these guys.